Y'all, it's Rhea back with another video. Today's video is going to be a initial review on this hair. Look at this lovely hair. If you guys would like to know more about this hair and my review on it, stay tuned. Okay, so this is my initial review on this hair. Where the box? Oh, so this hair is from Eayon Hair. So this is the packaging. This is the packaging, Eayon Hair. When you open up the box, you get a wig cap and like a little card, social media card, lets you know what their Instagram is and yada yada yada. But about this hair, this is the, oh, it doesn't say, but this is the natural Brazilian body wave. It's a 360 frontal and it's 22 inches. So I'm about 5'4", and it like comes down to the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, to the side of my hip here. And yeah, this is the frontal. I don't have the baby hairs laid right now because I'm just chilling, you know, I ain't going nowhere. But yeah, this is the hair. And since this is my initial review, I haven't worn it yet. I guess first impressions is that this hair is really soft. Well, I've noticed with all Eayon Hairs, this is like my third wig from Eayon Hairs, all of their hair is soft, like, baby girl. And look at the definition on the hair though, like, what? I did have to brush out this hair when I first got it because it was all kind of like curled up or whatever, but it looks nice now. I made like a side part. This is kind of like this, the side part space here kind of goes a little bit back further, but I kind of made a side part with like a little like bang going to the side or whatever. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. So far I'm not experiencing shedding, but I did see another review from another girl and she was saying that there was some shedding later on in the month, so we'll see how this holds up. I know with Eayon curly hair, like, it sheds after a while, so hopefully this doesn't shed as much. For some reason I have the Eayon straight wig and that wig like barely shed. That was a very good wig. I will still keep that wig, but since this has a curl, hopefully it doesn't, you know, hopefully it doesn't shed too bad. But so far I love it. I definitely still need to customize the lace a little bit more because I really just plucked the perimeter of the hair and cut the lace. That's all I did, and I didn't like bleach the knots or anything. You could probably still see the knots or whatever, but yeah. I'd say pricing, I paid $204 for the 22 inch. I did 22, 360, and it was a large cap because I have a big head, so this is definitely big head friendly for those big head girls or whatever. But yeah, I got the large cap. Shipping, I would say shipping took about a while. It took about a week for me to receive the hair, just because and I knew that it was going to take that long because to have a large cap, it was plus 7 days, so that's why it kind of took longer. If I would have had like a smaller cap or medium, I think it would have took less, but it did take about 7 to 8 days for it to actually come. What else? I would say like as time goes on, I will definitely like try to wand curl this, because I like the curls, but I just want it to be a little bit better. Like you see, like at the ends it's kind of like not too defined, but this is how the ends look. But yeah, so far I love this hair. Let me know in the comment section if you ever had this hair from Eayon wigs, and let me know how you felt about it or whatever. But that is all for my initial review. I'll probably update you guys in like 2 or 3 months how it's holding up. But other than that, I'm loving the hair so far. I would give it a 10 out of 10 for now. But yeah, if you guys would like to see an updated version of this hair, you know, make sure you subscribe, turn that post notifications on so you'll know when I post. But for now, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. This is my after look. I really like how this came out. Like, did I not slay or not?